Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi app, admin API and app API inside today. We need to create here driver sites. Need to profile updates inside need to needs here the zone list and service list. We need to create here the one common API. We need to develop here. First of all, we need to create here the post methods. We need to develop here. First of all, write down here app.post. Then after, we need to write down here the API and write down here service and zone. Like this, we need to create API. Now we need to create here the parameter request objects and response object. Callbacks need to write. Now we need to helper.dlogs and to print this here request body. That's we need to write down here the objects is request dot body. Like this we need to write down here. Now we need to check here the tokens. Check access tokens and we need to give this here the name request, this here the headers and pass this here the response objects. Now we need to return here the verify, then we need to get here the access tokens. Users need to get this here in this callback functions. After we need to write down here the 1db query and we need to find out here the active zone list. Okay. Now we need to here saddle zone id and we need to down here saddle zone name like this set here from this here the zone details zone list. This is the table names. Now we need to call here the inner joins and and down here price id and this here if active any price then need to get here the zone list inside these zones, otherwise not get here. And to write on id what zone id and that here what functions d dot 1 and active list and another inner joins need to write down and to write down here the need and we need to write down here to give this here the alias and on methods we need to connect with tables sd dot service id is equal to write down here service id and we need to write down the active service sd dot and we need gets here active zone list. Now we need to get here the group by query is write down here the group by and to write down here semicolons and to search query we need to write down here bind with this query. Now we need to call here the gets here service list. First one we need to get this here the zone list for this query And another query you need to write down for the gets here the service list. Write down like this and to then after you need to get here the seats color. Then after gets here the top icons conditions. Check this here icons not equal. Then we do false here and we need to write down here double quote. Helper gets here image path methods need down here once here icon for this one. Words need to write down here and else part. And also need to give this here the alias name icon. Wrap this text and paste on to right here for this top. Not equal blank. Then we do on gets here and we need to write down here helper dot image path here. Now else parts we need to write down here quotes like this, right? Alias we need to set this here top icon like this. Now we need to set here the where condition. There. And we need to set this here the status equal to 1 and to get this list. Now need to no need any question mark past here and now need to get here the result callbacks functions need to get inside the results and to write down functions and to check here the ball gets any errors. Then we to dot throw HTML errors pass this x and response of parameters set this here. After need to return these functions and if you not gets any errors then need to get here the results. That's why I need to return here the functions and we need to write down here status is equal to not 10 and we to get here and we need to write down here once again and gets inside into and we need to down here. Then after we need to get here the service list. And now this API are the creating here the duns. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I'll help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.